Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how to transfer funds from Wise to your GCash e-wallet. So you go straight, once you're logged in, you go straight to send. You choose the recipient to receive Philippine pesos. You choose your amount, so let's say $6, and then you press add recipient. You're going to press enter bank details, choose someone else, and then you're gonna have the option of sending to a local bank account and an e-wallet. You're gonna choose e-wallet, and then from wallet provider you choose GCash, and that's pretty much it. Once you fill everything out, the payment will go through and your wallet will be transferred over to GCash. So thank you for watching, have a great day, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.